Model, 66-plate Renault Kangoo ML19dCi 90 Energy Business Yuck MOTED Zany Face Ready to Work Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 167425. MOT, 13 August 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90 Energy E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on